let me show you how we can hard reset our POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra by going to recovery mode. So in order to do so, we need to of course go to the recovery mode. So I'm gonna open the power menu, so you can use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And after that, sorry about that. And after that, we're gonna reboot our phone. We want to reboot it. And once you see this circle, once it disappears actually, you want to press and hold volume up. So once it disappears, press and hold volume up and keep holding it until you are in the recovery mode. So you will see the POCO logo, but you still want to hold volume up. And soon after that, there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. We navigate in this menu by using volume buttons. Of course, we want to choose wipe data, confirm with the power button, and then over here select wipe all data and once again confirm with the power button. In case you go back to the main menu of a recovery mode, just choose to reboot and confirm your choice. And after that, you will have the initial configuration again. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.